The lifted pickup scene teems with an abundance of American and Japanese creations, showcasing their might on the roads. However, amidst this prevailing trend, it is not uncommon for a robust truck to emerge from the depths of Europe. Such is the case with the second-generation Volkswagen Amarok, albeit with a twist. Unlike its predecessor, this German-born vehicle finds itself sharing the revised T6 platform with the latest Ranger, manufactured by Ford at the Silverton factory in Pretoria, South Africa. Nevertheless, adorned with the VW badge, it retains its theoretical status as a European truck. In a bid to unleash the beast within, the off-road enthusiasts at Delta4x4 have taken the new Amarok under their skilled hands, endowing it with the distinctive Beast 2.0 treatment. As a result of their labor, the body of this mid-size pickup now proudly rests a staggering 100 millimeters, nearly 4 inches, higher than its standard counterpart. Yet, the customization does not stop there, for this remarkable creation has undergone additional suspension modifications, culminating in an impressive overall lift of approximately 150 millimeters, which is almost 6 inches. Also, it comes with the mighty 33-inch BF Goodrich tires into the equation, propelling the total lift to an astounding height exceeding 170 millimeters, which is almost 7 inches. With such capabilities, this Amarok is primed to traverse any terrain with unwavering determination. Delta4x4 proudly proclaims that the truck's enhanced characteristics permit the accommodation of even larger 35-inch tires, enabling it to conquer the most arduous landscapes with ease. To ensure a seamless integration of these imposing 305/60 R18 tires within the truck's body, Volkswagen's latest creation boasts polyurethane fender flares, bestowing an additional width of 60 millimeters, which is 2.3 inches on each side. These robust flares, complemented by striking 18-inch wheels and a sleek black finish, perfectly accentuate the vehicle's rugged persona. In harmony with the side steps, which also share the same black hue, these alterations complete the visual transformation. Notably, the modified front grille, housing a pair of extra Pia lights, serves as the finishing touch, elevating the Amarok's imposing presence. For those curious about the investment required to acquire these desirable additions, Delta4x4 has set the price tag at €2,600 for the body lift kit, €1,600 for the suspension lift, and €2,900 for the wheels and tires. Should one seek to enhance the truck's robust appearance further, the polyurethane fender flares are available for an additional €1,800. Moreover, the inclusion of side steps incurs a cost of €700, while the supplementary front lights demand an investment of €600. It is important to note that the aforementioned prices exclude installation fees. In conclusion, the Volkswagen Amarok, reimagined and refined by Delta4x4, stands tall as a European contender in the lifted pickup realm. With its increased height, formidable tires, and an array of captivating modifications, this truck possesses the tenacity to overcome any challenge that lies in its path. Embodied within its design is the spirit of adventure and an unwavering determination to conquer the uncharted territories of the great outdoors.